Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're comparing two no-code website builders that are making waves, Hostinger Horizons and Lovable. Both promise stunning websites without any coding, but which one's actually better? Let's break it down. Lovable is all about elegance and speed. The templates, beautiful, minimal, and perfect for creators, freelancers, and personal brands. Hostinger Horizons, on the other hand, is more versatile. It has a wider range of templates from portfolios to small business to online stores. Both are beginner friendly, but Lovable is smoother out of the box. It's like Notion meets Webflow Lite, instant edits, intuitive UI, no fluff. Horizon's still simple, but it leans more toward a traditional builder experience. Think drag and drop, what with more options. Next are the features and flexibility. Horizons gives you multi-page support, e-commerce tools, mobile optimization, and deep customization. Lovable keep things light, great for one-pagers, portfolios, or resumes, but it lacks advanced features like stores or blogs. Lovable has a free tier with premium features coming soon. Horizons is part of Hostinger's hosting plans starting at around $3 a month with hosting, email, and the custom domain included. Who it's for? Choose Lovable if you're a solo creative influencer or just want a beautiful one-pager with zero stress. And choose hosting or horizons if you're building a business, need more tools, or want a website that can grow with you. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!